We made it to Phuket and we're at the Kalima resort. So I'm going to do a run through with you. I'm looking kind of rough because we had a flight from Hanoi to Bangkok to Phuket, but we finally made it. And this resort is nice. It smells really good too. So when you walk in, the bathroom is to the right. The shower is here. Oh my god, there's a rainfall one. And it's pretty spacious and there's no door. What? The room is really nice. So this is the deluxe sea view room. So we have this one for 3 nights. We have this room for 3 nights. The sun is setting and it's really gorgeous. Oh my god. And then there's a bathtub in the living room. We're gonna use this tonight. Room for 3 nights.
Sunset Ordinance!
There's a cruise ship over there. It's so beautiful. Like, I'm so happy we're here. But today we're just gonna relax because Hanoi was kind of crazy. We kind of did a lot of walking and eating, and I think I still sound kind of sick. But anyway, now I feel very relaxed with this music.
We made it.
We made it to Phuket.
Yes.
Yeah. There's little strings in the way.
It's okay. Who cares?
Okay, so we're probably gonna just take a shower, have some dinner, and plan out our week.
Elephant Sanctuary, Koh Phi Phi on deck.
Beach. I want to lay on the beach.
Yeah.
Probably gonna rent a scooter. Yeah.
That should be fun. We're driving on the left side of the road.
And yeah.
All right. See you guys later.
Finally made it to the beach. We're in Patong. We're at Patong Beach. And yeah, it's really, really touristy. I feel like every side of me, within 5 to 10 feet, there is another tourist enjoying the beach. I mean, it's still gorgeous, like I'm not complaining. Jeff's in the water right now. But we rented a moped for the day when we came down here. Yeah. I thought someone called me. Yeah, so we came down here and we bought some stuff. I think a market is nearby, and we just saw a place that we are going on a couple of tours tomorrow and Friday. So I wanted to get a dry bag because we're going to be in a boat. But yeah, we might check out a few of the more secluded beaches in a little bit because this place is seriously crowded. Well, this beats being in the snowstorm back home. I don't care if there's tourists around. I'd rather be here than back home.
I go grab like a stewer or something. You sure you don't want anything?
I'm really not hungry.
Like not milkshake, a smoothie or something.
I'll take a smoothie, but I don't want food.
All right.
I feel like we've been eating non-stop. These guys are like oiling themselves.
Yep. Actually, no, they're not oiling themselves. They actually got an old Thailand.
Surin Beach now. Surin? This guy's in the water.
I'm a beach whale.
He says he's a beached whale. Oh, the water feels really good. I think it takes like 20 minutes from our resort, the Kalima resort. Oh shit. Alright, he's like having too much fun. But it takes, okay, like I was saying, oh my god! Takes 20 minutes from Kalima to get to here. Took our moped. So it's like 4:30, almost 5, and then we're going to probably go back to the hotel to see the sunset. Are you okay, babe? Good.
Yeah.
It's a little cloudy today, but So we're gonna be up there tomorrow. Those are gonna be our little pool access rooms.
The package is being delivered.
Best message ever.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.